Welcome to T-Fair Files TV. We are back again with the latest gossip nyaya dziri kupisa dziri kutendera pa social media. El Gringo, leader of youth at Nyumba ED ZANU-PF, achiti there is no development in Harare. Harare yakasviba kuti tsva magetsi hapana apa muri kuba muri mbavha. Mari muri kuisei Peter Raymond?
Here's what we are going to do. I'm going to run this thing myself personally. Ndisati ndatombobva kuno kuZimbabwe. Atikamboende city izwa zvinhu zvakapusa kudai so izvo. The city look, what is his name? Kameya kedu kadiki kajoinga. This city is dirty. There is so much nonsensical decisions that are being done. This city has been run by the same people for the past 20 years. You're telling me that you don't have my trucks and Tagora trash, and yet you are getting 300 million per budget. Per budget, 300 million year city council. And then the city is so much rubbish like this. You're coming up with there's no development. Nothing for the past 20 years. And then you go to Nyanga, you pay each other $200 a day. You go to Nyanga, you do a conference. What the fuck are you talking about? Conference, $200. You spend 1.5 million. You have a wage bill that goes over $5 million. $5 million on a wage bill. Per year, it goes over $5 million. Wage bill, the city council. Then after that, you go in town, you collect must $40, must $70. Instead of investing money, could you collect the trash? The city is so much, it's very, very dirty. You can't collect trash. You can't. You go and invest money, you buy stupid trucks so that they can carry people's cars and then charge them $140. What nonsense is that? Right now, Takamira, Pani Malena, Pasco got Malene Mangani, I didn't get 30 because the road is unmarked. The road is unmarked. And then you come back to us, you tell us, Musika Wakachap, you are contesting right now with a ministry yakati tangira, ministry yakabulitira tender yakato award fast. The ministry to do that because hamuskuita anything. People in Mbare, you collect so much money. You collect so much money kumbare mimi. Every day you collect so much money. Musika wani kumbare. If people knew, you just don't know. Do you know kuti musika kumbare no collect for almost $75 per musika every fucking month. Musika wacho wacha. You want to spend over 3 weeks without making a proper decision. You are apana. My councillors acho, you are not doing anything. I've seen per Twitter, the councillors are even shouting, Nai we Jacob, what nonsense is that? You don't want us, you don't want to see us. All right, Manje is attacked as Neshika. I know the city, I know Gwando Vau. The city of Polokwane was ran by an administration for the past 8 years. Mandi my manja Pakwana mayor. I remember in 2007 here in Harare we had a commission. Pakasuka zuma commission zvakawanda to run the city of Harare. Because pamba nikakudonzerana kuti MDC inenge yawina ndo inoisa ma councillors ayona then but ezvinezvika to be honest with you the Harare city council has to be put under administration. Hamuna kana park inoshanda muHarare. One park. You've destroyed everything, but you're taking money every fucking month. You're taking money. Mari zamunu collector mawandira dzakaita. Mari chete zamunu collector mawandira dzakaita. Where are you spending that money? My light is how you can't have. Do you know how cheap a solar light is? Nezuare said, Zarani ningekashiba kuti ndo. Hauoni kana kuti kuenda kupi. Ma flashlight chayo kona flashlight re Benz ra kutambura. Kutaiwa mkoma zvamuda kuti force zotoita sei nazo. Ukaona flashlight re Benz ukatoka flasha Benz so yakutambura kuti amana atisi kuona. What is that? You can't buy my lights, my street lights. You can't buy my street lights. You can't buy my street lights. Aiwa Harare City Council, you need to improve. Actually, you don't need to improve. It has been 20 years. It has been 20 years. We need to put this city under administration. We have to take back our city. We have to run with the hashtag. You have to take back our city. This is nonsense. This is rubbish. The ministry made these roads, and you can't put simple lights. Simple lights. My lights is solar. kuchina anoita $4 apa $4 ilending unenge waritenga $2.70 kana $2.50 light. You can't put this city so dark, it's dirty. You don't have drama trucks and tagura trash hamuna. Asi munozadza na mtaundi umu kutsvaga vanhu vakatsika maline. Kuti hey watsika line tikufana kukubhadharisa. I'm going to lead a protest. We will go to the police. We will ask for a license. We will ask for a minute teacher unofana kupiwa kuti muite protest. We have to run a protest. Tukutora marara ese wayo takananga na opa town house. I will lead it myself. What nonsense is this? What nonsense is this? We will do a protest. We will cause disruption in Harare because this is nonsense. We will go to the police. We will apply to do a peaceful protest against the city council because this is nonsense. You can't be collecting $40 because munakatsika line not your receipt for food. Your people are getting into town. Munanopina mtown andidi. Apina mtown over atizonanzi wapak hosi or badara andidi. You getting 1 hour 15 minutes or something like that andidi. Vaningo kakumirira vakataima 1 hour 15 minutes is dzichingo kwana motikari ya clamp. They now want, I don't know, 170, whatever the huge amount that they want. You go and buy chimotikari chinoita mota dzekutakura kudaiso kuisa pa bed. But you don't buy motikari dzotakura mabin. There's no stop sign, there's nothing. You have unmarked roads, but you mutauni munenji every day you collect $40 kuti munakatsika line. What nonsense is that? What nonsense is that? The traffic, the accidents, they are being caused not only by negligent driving, but by also negligence of the resources. What kind of environment is this? People can see oncoming here. You can't. Of course, the people here, they drive like shit. They're just buying the licenses. Of course, that shit is happening. But how do you test drive? How do you test Van Macho? Pa isla pa shepo shepo. Hapana malines. Malane ningari 50. Malane. Wangu kupila ni show dam. Kukwira mwaruta say drainage system. Paka na tumvura manu mwezuru. Tumvura tuli very shit. Tumvura tuli useless. Tumvura tuka na manu mwezuru. You can't even. Hapana kana peku drive here. Hapana. Then we have a city council that is getting a budget of almost over $300 million. They can buy my trucks. For the past 20 years, you're telling me you don't have my trucks and talking about trash. For the past 20 years, we have councillors, we have ministers that are in Harare. You won, you are an MP, you won in Harare. People trusted you with their lives. And yet people are dying because of negligence. Yes, city council. You are an MP, you are quiet. You go in parliament. You go my picture. Soro wakazara mvura. Mcheno no pen kwa kuma babo. Wono pina parliament ukujushinya shinya mjino to my picture. Post on social media. You're not even doing anything in terms of development. Industrialization is bad. Very, very bad. And we have a city council. What kind of a bridge is this? Look at this fucking nonsense here. Look at this. Look at this. This is in fucking Harare. This is in Harare. This shit is in Harare. And we have a city council that has a wage bill, Runopura, $150 million every fucking year. They have a wage bill, $150 million. They can't control this. No, the traffic is so bad. This mama munopanenos matenders are useless. Mutaundi Harare utongorufamba msango. China iri pese. You can't collect trash. Sure for the past 20 years mutara timima amuna kukwanza utenga magreda, amuna kukwanza utenga motikari dzinotakura mabhini dzedze. Mota inotakura mabhini yakachipa kuChina. Recycling. People are making money. Parastatals in other countries, city councils in other countries, they're making a lot of money from recycling. Recycling machines, recycling plastic. A city council that does not have any business. Their business is about collecting money from people. Why are Hararians quiet like this? Why? Why do you tolerate such nonsense? We have to do a protest. We have to kutora marara iwayo in every city. Town mese tichatora marara iwayo. Tukunomarasira pa townhouse. We have to cause disruption. We have to force an administration. We have to force an administration. Imvura ipi yakanaya yekuti parodi panojenga kudai so. Parodi panojenga. Tasama dodai. This is in town. This is in Harare. Tasaone mu Harare. Pano pa Islam. Imvura ipi yakanaya ndiudze kune mvura yakanaya yekuti yakakonzera that. We have to do a protest. Kutoenda kumapurisa tuno apply. We have to. I will lead it myself. Teta Gen Z akapusa kudai so. You don't complain. This does not have anything to do with politics. It's about having simple things. Simple things. We are asking for a clean city. Simple things. Simple things. Make it make sense to me. Sure, atina one park in Oshanda. Yeah, in proper town. Mutown Maharara muna fountain. We don't even have a fountain. Harare City Council, you're busy to collect a mari, busy. I'll give you a date. Musiwoyo, apana no patra parking. Musiwoyo, and the packers wada. I'm going to lead that protest myself. Kushikata force an administration. If ZANU-PF have to take over that city, it's fine. Take it over. Because the evidence kakudonzera nakacho kakapusa. Uya atwala zakati. Uya atwala zakati. Uya atwala zakati. 21st century, industrialization is so bad. You don't have anything that is running in the city. LED billboard. You don't have companies that are doing that. Make it make sense to me. What the fuck are you doing in the city? What? What really are you doing in the city? It's deliberate not to have a working robot in Harare. It's deliberate. You're doing that deliberately. Because how do you tell me tine mutaunu Harare, tine robot, not shande, and yet you're collecting millions of dollars every month. You're collecting millions of dollars every month. I will go Kwesekumbaru. I will go and meet my councillors. Personally, I'll go and meet them, the councillors. I'll tell them we have to force an administration. We need some people that can prove to us that they can take over this city. What kind of a light is this? Ian Smith left this shit here. He left this. Pa VID pa Islam. Chicho. Mudoto yo azara murodi momo. Mudoto zvawo right. Achishande chini ichochi. Mira uchone chimwe icho. Chakata kurembera chito chakuwira pa motikari. Chicho ichi. What the fuck is that? Why do we have a city council that is so ignorant? Why do we have a city council that does not give a fuck about people? It's all about punishment. You want to live off kungo collector mari chete ndozika do target yenyu kungo collector mari. You munana anja kukumirira. Uchingo tsika line, they don't help you to park. Uchingo tsika line arguye papo akaklimba motor ada $40. Ada $40. They're collecting bribes in town here. They are refusing. My bribes achona vanotokumbira kuti ndipe 20 ndo handimbokilembe motikari yako. Ndipe $20. Town yekupe kuti ninge kazara mazhanje. Makwate mazhanje akazara all over the place. Muharare. And yet you are spending $1.5 million on a 5-day summit. Mukutaure ku summit ikoko. What are you talking about? Robot nofana ngari chishanda repano pa Islam. Pana pa Islam. What kind of a robot is that? Unozata robot akachipa sei mukorono. Chichochi. Achisi kushanda. Apana collect ariku control la traffic yacho. Apana nothing. Vakazara vese mtown rakutsvaga vanhu vakatsika ma line. Apana control la traffic. You don't have lights. This city is so dark. Utongo uri kufamba murenje. 21st century. Harare. I know kuma ghetto. Road yekupi ukaenda kunana budiroko. Motika dzoramba kufamba. Motikari. Which is no road. Waterfalls. Motikari chikudza kuti hapana road. Uri mu waterfalls. Mu town. Aiwa. we have to take back this city. This is nonsense. We have to take back our city. I want young people that are clever. I want young people that causes disruption when things are not happening the way we want. We are not against our government. Our government is fine. It's doing okay. The development is okay. It's fine. Do it at your own pace. But when it's like the city, it's fine. I'm a political party. I'm seeing a political party. The Harare City Council has been run by commissions for the past years and decades. Pai my commissions over and over. My commissions are chuya chirana Harare City. My commissions why they were failing because papa ni kakutonzerana kuti ayo MDC ndo inenge wina pose daiso ayo MDC yotanga kuti ayo ZANU-PF azikuti pamari azikukupa mari for awo. You have a budget kupina in parliament. Unaita pile of trash mtown yakadai so. You can collect. Other cities all over the world, they are making so much money from recycling. So much money from recycling. What kind of a city is this? David Kota Jagaramba going to conference change. $200 a day. You spend $1.650 million. $1.650 million. $1.6 million from 5 days of conference. What were you talking about? We are going to the police. Can I license the protest? Apply our police. We'll go to the police. We have to protest in this city. Musiwo, I'll give you a date. We need a hashtag. Go over, go on Twitter, go and do this, go and do this. Tell each other, everyone. We can't, not to have a robot that works in Harare. It's deliberate. Kune muna asiri kutoda kuti robot ro rishande. Kune muna asiri kuda badala mali kuti robot rishande. How do we have our police control traffic in 21st century, in 2024? Tine police in control the traffic. Police, SAPS, ZRP. Oh my God, now SAPS. Tanzama dojaga zana maharari. China, mukuriyechi bageri mu road. Very busy kumanisana ni mafenda. You can't even create a proper market for those people. Collect money from them. Make them pay for a good marketplace. Madam Sigaga talk. The ministry to intervene, do a tender quickly so that that place can be restored. But it's in a city council. Yaga tuenda is the city council ilito popota kuti tender raga award wase. Muna tender ramutanza go explain are mala itsuku. You got a tender ramutanza go explain are $9 million. You threw 1 or 2 people under the bus. No. Harare drive, hato fambiki. It's unmarked. The road is nonsense. It's so dark. You can't buy my lights. Simple street lights. You can't put them. And yet you're collecting millions of dollars. Because you are hakuna bato lazara mno Zimbabwe 1 ZANU-PF iriega kana ZANU-PF iriyo ikuita ma developments ngaichitora Harare city yacho. All right, it's fine. Put up an administration. The city has to be run by an administration. We put an administrator. We put a board. Renema accountants, ma architectures. Then we acknowledge the constitution. We leave the councillors there. We put few councillors into the administration. They collect my levies, our garage collector. Monopolized my tenders is stupid to Harare City Council. Then you eat the money. No delivery. Because the Hararians are quiet. I want Hararians that will go into the street to collect. Tiano tora kwese pense paka sunga nzwa madodi. Tiano tora twesa ma plastics. Tomanya tono siapa townhouse. We are going to do that. I will lead that. That will be the first Gen Z movement in Zimbabwe. That will be the first Gen Z movement in Zimbabwe. That one. I will lead it myself. I will do that. I want young people vakachangamuka. So haresi tikadzi inofanira kunge ichivhura mabasa ichipa vapfana mabasa. Haisi kuita izvozvo. They hire each other to hama 12 voudza noti iwo nhasi ndiononge uri mutown ucollect unofanira kubva ipapo. They're not getting paid. Vanotonzi unoita mari pamunhu anenge atsika line. Vanhu vakatsika line vari 4 vari 5 vakakupa $10-20 waita kuti vasabhadhire fine ye $40 kutsika line risipo. Line racho rinenge rakafeinta zvaro pasina kana chinhu. Chingonyeberwa muno muchita basa rekufocusa nezvinhu zvisina basa. Every Tom, Dick and Harry is talking about my sex tape Equatorial Guinea. Ina makapusa so pa New Lanes up. Hapana kana robot rinoshanda pa New Lanes. And that place is very dangerous. Auna kana sign inokudza speed kuti pana pa 40 kilometers, pana pa 60 kilometers, pana pa 80 kilometers. That's why there's so many accidents. The road, there's no safe keep of the road. Apana, how do you tell me kuti munotadza kudraw my lines zebra cross? Zebra crossing, motadza kudraw my lines iwayo. Chamunogona chete kumhanyidzana nevanhu mutown kuti wakatsika line. Hey, motako totoiclaimba. Hey, unondobhara bhadhara few $170. We are going to have almost 5 days. The protest kana zvichinetsa. Kusvika vatinzwa kusvika government yagara pasi yotaura kuti let's take back this city. We need developments in the city. We need lights. We need fucking street lights. The stupidest thing to have street lights. Roundabout yekuenda kumasebabu mune munimo ma-MP nemachi makanyarara muri ze muparliament muchinozhinya muparliament yamakavakirwa navamunangagwa ima 1 something billion parliament. Munopinda imo mubasa uchaunobuda nacho screenshot nemapicture. Inda wakapusa so. Unokaona minutes kari busy unotora screenshot because vamunangagwa vari kufamba kuseru ka MP kari busy unotora screenshot. You can't do anything. Madhodhe vanhu musoro yakazara mvura. Makapusa zvokuti things that you are supposed to be collecting money. My golf course mugadzira wakanaka ma golf course. Ichi golf course ichi chinenge munda wambambaira chiri papa ichi. Hapana kana fence, hapana nothing. Tuma solar lights $23.50 to China. You give a tender to a local person. You make sure that those people deliver. There has to be a body that runs the Harare city properly. This road is called what? Churchill. This road is called Churchill. It's Prosper Borodile. It's nonsensical. It's rubbish. It's rubbish. About Trimasadaki chairman. Takutotaura zvatoda because tiri chairman. Tinoenda izvo tine nyaya dzatoda unogadzisa dzema-elections akaitika kune dzimwe nyika izvizvi dzatoda kusota so kune ma-meeting attend tichiita sema-chairman muno muZimbabwe. Alright, tinenge taita ma-visitors ko kana visitor idombonotsvagawo zvimabede chichichi mutaundo yobva yapinda neroad iyo iyi chechiwe yobuda muroad yatakadesignate yakagadzirwa neministry. Asi muri busy kuda kurwa nemavhenda. Macollege munoita wage bill rinopfuura 150 million per annum. Muchipana nezvima-incentives zviri ridiculous for nothing. Komnai moto yanzi get wet. Oh, vanochera maboho. Zvino get wet yakomana get wet. Aiwa koma kuita sei kuti mararo mutakoma. Yeah? We need people, we need young people that are clever. Atidi marombe munongoswera muchingodzengerera umo, you don't do anything to make things work. You don't do anything. We need to have an administration that takes over this city now. Right now. If I will go into that meeting, I have to be there. But my administration, I will go there. Personally, I will lead this. We have to take pesepo waona marara, ukaona marara Mount Pleasant. Muswache iwoyo, tichatora marara ese iwayo, I'll buy my beans. I'll buy my black plastics. We put all that trash. I'll get those ones, the Hararians that wants to partner with this movement. We need to take back this city. I'm telling you. The Harare City Council have ignored this city. They have ignored this city for 20 years. 20 years. Vane two matraks and utagura trash. Two. For the past 20 years. Chinoita Marie Chirori Cheche. Asaruka Tingana Maprado kwa Harare City Council. Tina mayor. Monom. Tina mayor. The most useless mayor that we have ever had. Karigo. So. Izogene kari nyere kupi. Mayor kazokepchwa. Saka mayor msamudzi uta aite basa. Because aiwa anenga ine vanhu vakuru vari kushadari. Get away, brat shit. You are a mayor of this council. You need to deliver to these people. Boroto robot repa boroto. Ka robot kaninge njete kakada iso ikaka. Mwe musika shanda, mwe musaka kushanda. Your systems are rubbish. That's why you can't collect levies in the townships. You can't collect levies in the townships because I'm not basara mukuita kuma township ikoko. You can't collect the levies there. What are your conversations? Nana zinwa nana nani. Why are people drinking shitty water until today? What are you guys talking about? When you go to Nyanga and spend $1.5 million, $1.6 million, you pay each other $200 a day. For what? Mujitama sightseeing, networking and futsak. Uda network achi. Uda network achi cha uno network. Uda chaka zarama sewage. Uda network achi cha uno network acha uno network aiwe. Then it's my danda edari mupa. Ipa wapane ngweni zete ripa pap. Urakabusa zokuti ripis kukomita. Want this guy, want the futsek. Soroga zara mvura. I'm not going to be stupid like everyone. When we see bad things, we have to point them out. Hapana kana MP one atakaona akasumuka isusu in parliament. Katoro Harare City Council, what are you doing about this? China yese munotadza kukolekta marara erako manya marara. Kutadza kukolekta madhodhi mutaundi. Kutadza. Iwe izo zvinhu nditanga ndikufamba kumusha. Tatsaoni. Nditanga ndikufamba kumusha. Tatsaoni. Andisi kumusha ini. Ndiri muHarare. Tatsaoni. Apa irodi. Uchikobva parodi unoona munhu akakwira mutu. Madhodhi etaundi. Then we have young people that are just quiet. I'm going to give you a date. You have to join. If you are in Harare, join this protest. This administration is going to help us to even get jobs. We have to create employment for our young people. We have to run an administration, a body that will consist of educated people who are mass developers. We need a city that is developed. Mount Abden is going to come and overtake Harare. Look at Bulawayo. If you go to Bulawayo, you can tell Tamanaka, this city is run properly. Because the people in Bulawayo, you can see there's no trash in Bulawayo. I was there, I drove there, I was like, okay, this city is clean. For starters, Bulawayo is very clean. No. Asite. They collect. They clean their city. Kombufamba ema inoita kuti ema ichauya ukarasa chinhu futseki. Rimwe benzi nezuro rakakrasa chihofo ichi chanchakazara mabhonzo echicken pamberi pangwa. Pwata zvaraswa murodhi. Looking. The MPs vanopfuura neapa every day up. Pano pa Groom Bridge up. Tasaone madhodhari apa. Tarisa ako. Tarisa pa Groom Bridge papa. Pa Groom Bridge. Tarisa China iri papa. Somebody anopfuura napo every day papa. They don't see anything wrong. Every day somebody passes. Neipa papa. Ne China yese. Nobody sees this. Nobody. Apana. No one sees it wrong about that. Then it's near Harare City Council that is being led by CCC. The same CCC. Yakapedzwa one day. We trust our seats in the hands of those people. If ZANU-PF has to take over this city and develop it, do it. Put it part of your vision. Harare City has to be part of the vision 2030 or whatever. It has to be there. If you have to put in administration, put it under an administration. I am going to lead a protest. This I will do personally. This does not have. We are going to apply. We will do it peacefully. We'll apply to the police. We'll get a license. We'll get a permit to protest against the Harare City Council. Every Hararian Chaizama stations in Mvura, I will buy t-shirts, print them. Let's take back our city. Pasina doing gavu, pasnavo, pasina no sikuda development, pasnavo. Nyadzisa taundi. Nyadzisa taundi. Aukwateka na kuyane bede so, chiruza di bede, raunengo watora uko. Ma investors kutuni kune investor ngati mbobuda timono tsvaga bawa. Aukwanisa kudaro mausiku. Because me makashiba investor ringe richichka. Tayo hii anga tsabude usiku tuzungubuda makuseni. Tinazo tsaka mari kuno kuti tinokutai kuti nyika yedu ibudirire. Kana tiri machairman ka ngatimboteererwa iwo. We need an administration to run this city now, right now. Now. This protest, you are going to be shocked. I will show you this one. I will do this one. This one ndo yato target yangu. Ndore kabasa randa kuita kwa Zimbabwe. Shikanda buda munhu ndo basa randa kuita. This protest has to happen now. Boba Bongo. This protest has to happen now, right now. What kind of rubbish is this? What kind of rubbish is this? We have young people and marry, but don't try to city. They can't do that because they only got chichkota. But Harare City can't say Wahidi. Wahidi is also. We have to push this thing. We need development. I'm telling you right now, people. Companies in South Africa, they have recycling machines for plastic. Harare City can't say why na company no rana. You can't run a plastic industry on your own. City council, which you collect the plastic here, which they recycle. You build those things, you go, you sell, you make money. You build my bottles, you take my bottles, I go kanzuru you go sota. But kanzuru you don't go collect a marriage. Musiwo, I'm going to come up with a date, and the date I'll give you the date. Let's take back our city. That's our hashtag. We'll print t-shirt. Anybody that wants to partner with this movement, you are from Harare, you are a Hararian, you need to partner with this one. This one. We have to do this. We have to do this. At least do something. Young people, we have to do this. I will just find out that namsangano ere we SADC because it's not very busy kati ma chairman sikatika unota kuna msangano we SADC to manya to protest against the city council. We need a city council that takes charge. If the president has to take the city council and put it under his wing, do it. Write down names of people, write down educated people that are mass developers. Then we develop this city. We buy my lights. We put street lights all over the place. We could have had our own small solar farm. Yeah, Harare City chat. Aka solar farm kanungurana ma lights ema Harare chat. We could have done that by now. But we don't. We'll put down a date. Taisa date redu. At this to end up my cities. We'll put down money. Taisa my cities. To my buses that will take people into Harare. kana ungabva kumabvuku otaura tokutumira mari ikoko, I will use my own money. I'll do that. Kana pane companies that needs to partner with this, they need to. Vanenge vachitipa mvura musi watinchisa protest, moisa matenti enyu mvura, you use that as marketing as well. Moisa katenti kenyu vanenge vachipfuura neipapo vachicollecta mvura yavo. It's a peaceful protest. Totora marara ese atichacollecta muHarare, we're going to clean it as well. Tichatora marara ese, but inzwai cleaning yatiri kuda kuita ndei irori kairi, protest yacho ine cleaning mukati. Anenge angokubvunza mari yeparking musi iwoyo, tikunetsana naye tobva tamubvisa ipapo. It's going to be a very peaceful protest, but hatisi kubhadhira parking ndei iroro. Hakuna clamping motor, hakuna chii. We're going to cause disruption. We need to take back our city. If ZANU-PF, if the government has to come up with an administration, sit down with the councillors acho akawina iwayo eMaharare, sit down with those councillors, do something. We need an administration. Musamunoita meeting iyoyo dakunge tiripo inini chiimomo meeting imomo memuchimboti. We need to do that. We need to hire educated people. Munobhadharwa ma school fees evana venyu ne city council. Munobhadharwa there's nothing that you pay for. Munobhadharwa ma rent ne city council, but you don't do anything to build the city. No, we are taking back our city. We need service delivery, proper service delivery. Proper. If you're collecting levies, it's easy for you to collect levy when you deliver. If we put the city under an administration that will deliver, prove to us if ZANU-PF has to take it over. Because, look, people, accept this. I'll tell this, I'll acknowledge this, whether you like it or not. The development that the government is doing, we can see it. We can see it. I drove Masvingo Road, although Pasara 2 or 3 my detours, they are finishing that up. Jimbudzi roundabout, she late, but something is happening. That is coming from the ministry from the government. My project Iwayo has to city council. Has vanhu MDC vakangonozitora neCCC vakangonozitora kazvisamuka kona vakati isusu hapana nombotibvunza. Nyange tikasadeliver, nyange tikadeliver zvinoblemwa Mnangagwa neZANU-PF. Pane dofo izvo zvinotofungwa kuti haiwa city council haisi kushanda because of Mnangagwa. Hold on. Ani mkuru? Ebo. Abo. Mkuru. ZANU-PF yatotora nyika ino hakuna rimwe bato. Kadhanda yedikedu kaike kubuda kaide takazosangana naTrump. Trump akataura kuti pa 15 billion years kanzi varume kachinyeba. Trump kasati kambosangana naTrump. Kachinyeba zvakona kachamisa kedu kai. Tikamuka kazi muchingozhinja muchisekerera madhodhi. Ndo vanhu vari kurana city council. We need to take back that city. If ZANU-PF has to take it, take it. Muti momo employer ma educated people, young people. I want to see vanhu vakangwara so moisa ma systems. You pay your things from an app. Unongenda pa app. Yeah? What's that? Tongoregerera. Ungonzi aiwa varegerere vachadeliver. Tinge tingori nezvimarombe zvivana zvemuZimbabwe muchingomhanya kutaura nyaya dzisina basa rese. Muchingofokasa netsvina, ndo zvamunofoka nazvo. Muchingofokasa nemadhodhi. Gini. Mumagara munongoona pono. Muyakushamisira chiko pono. Kusiwa pano pane free wifi wakudownloada pono. Ndo yega yaunongoziva. Zvinhu zvine basa tsve. Kuti udzidzirewo tsve hapana. The few people madhara chembera anongoenda chinoapply matenda iwayo achingoramba chimahwina. Kutenda uko kune 3-4 companies dzinenge dzakaapply tenda iroro. Over and over hakuna. Tingori nemarombe ari muHarare vana kungosiwa pane free wifi instead yekutanga utsvaga basa uchinotanga kugoogle zvaro pono. Tine ho MP the moment yapinda muparliament ngotora zvimavhidhiyo whole MP zvimapicture nezvimachi Dobasa. You meet greatness, the first thing that you think of is a picture. Rombere Moon. Rombere Moon. You meet up with greatness, you don't share information. How did you make it? How did you do this? How did you this? You develop a skill. You talk to people of power. You have no relevance. Busy, pfunza pono ndoteka unokufuka akugini kokuuma auye uyakauma mfisi akauma mchishiye mtara zirabasa mapakapusa stereki mapusa stereki zvinhu zvine musoro hazvisi kutrenda. Tine taundi yakazara madhodhi. We can't make that trend. We can't make that trend. We can't. The reasons why we are going to be the future leaders of this country is by making initiatives of development. We need initiatives of development. If the ministry is going to come and help us, it has to come after it has seen something that we have done on our own. We need young people that are there to develop themselves. Mungoswera mjimberereka mtaone murungu tikomberereka mjitedzana mjifamba muri 51 famba muri 51 mjitendereka mararo. Una boyfriend isina kana career. Izvezvi une boyfriend isina kana career. The guy that he follows every day in the morning anomuka mumba achibuda mumba achienda kunotera mumwe murume kubva makuseni kusvika manheru unenge chikomberereka pepe chimwa mvura upedze pepe murungu oti hatiendei kusadza voenda vari 50 voenda kusadza murungu odya sadza murungu anenge ari busy achifona achiita sei wacho avari kuti murungu achibusy achifona mari dzichikolektwa achishanda yo wako murume yako boyfriend yakamirira kuzotumwa nze inonitsvagira hure ndo zvaakamirira anenge ari ipapo. There's nothing. They don't go there with business ideas. They don't go there with proposal. Murungu ndipewo 20,000, murungu ndipewo 15,000. Ndite kagraft yakanimbotsaya. Hapana, ndivhurewo shop, nditry something. Hapana. You have no career, there's nothing. You can't do anything. I made myself a whole software engineer, a whole data engineer from nothing. I taught myself everything. W3 schools, YouTube, Chi. I went on to certify for AWS. I did not even pay for anything. I just went on the internet and studied this shit. I collect serious money from the same thing. There are offices that opens the doors for me because they know when we ask you to pay you. Arikuya kunoti kuti amndokugadzirira mobile application ndokugadzirira website aka muone vanhu vasikuna toona zvinhu zvenyu chichichichichi. Tine nzungbata izvo zviri pano palive riri busy kuchinyora akamufana kane tsunga izvo zvindiri muaircon izvo yori kutsva naro zuva remahararero apa uchinzwa kunhuhwa. Ndakapinda pane kamwe kandakaona muharare hanzi Century Mall. Ini ndafunga mai ndikati Century indozaye ku Cape Town. Uifunge uione Century Mall yeku Cape Town zvakaita. Kainwa doti kuchipinda pa door you can't even breathe. Ndado flashirwa phone ndatengawo nyowani. Ndakutora ndado transfer data. Wi-Fi yasikuna toshanda. Chinditraiwo fast. Ndapinda mutaundi ndikutenderana mfana wangu kuti nditire basa iri. Mukuru ngatipinde iwo mu Century. Sechi papa. Tine kanzuru ipapo. Isina kana one jayavaka for the past 20 years. Hapana. Varutengesa timastenze. Pese pamba ine space varutengesa. Kanzuru isina business. Haigone kustata a plastic making company. You can't sell paper to make paper. Tema miti yese imogeza city yenyu yochena. Moisa my lights. They can't do that. They can't. Asa ndiringotaura zvemudhoto chete. Ndozvamunofunga izvozvo. Akapusa stereki. I want young people that are wise. I want young people that are clever. that are mass developers. We're going to
I'm sure you have heard zvataurwa naleader of youth El Gringo.